Hi guys, welcome to this video about an old friend who's visiting me after a long time. This BSOD blue screen of DAS. Yeah, he was away for a couple of months or even years. Can't remember when I had it last time. Here it says bad pool header, I mean the stop code. As you can see, maybe I get a little bit closer. Stop code bad pool header, whatever that is, would be nice to give us a little bit more information than that. But it says your PC ran into a problem and needs to restart. We are just collecting some error info and then you can restart 0% complete, and that's since about 5 minutes or so. I think I gave this guy enough time to do what he needs to do. He couldn't complete the task. So what I do now is I'm pressing the power button for 10 seconds. I didn't have to. I just pushed it and it was gone. So I wait for 5 seconds or so to restart the system, which is always a good thing. Yeah, please, when you restart a system, don't immediately restart. I mean, it's a thing from the old days, but I think it cannot hurt to wait a little bit because there is still some power sometimes left in the system, and that's not good when you restart before. So make sure that everything is empty, ready to reboot. And as you can see, it already rebooted. I will start now. I will post out now the video and the reboot, and then we'll see if everything works again. Yeah, so it didn't even take longer than usual, maybe 2 seconds longer. What I notice now is that my C drive, which is already pretty small, is even smaller. I mean, there's less free space, but maybe it's from collecting the information, and I expect that after next reboot probably it will be maybe back on 30 gigabytes, and it already happened once that I had a problem. So, and usually it came back to original size, I mean original free space. So if it doesn't go back, we have to investigate into that, of course. It's 6 gigabytes lower than it was, but apart from that, it's looking good. So yeah, basically this is what this video about. You don't have to wait till this blue screen of DAS guy is collecting your information for 10 or 20 years or so, and he will never finish this task. So just push the button. If it doesn't proceed, if it doesn't count up in percentage collecting your data, just push the power button, wait 5 seconds, push it again, and let your system start again, and check if everything is here, especially size of C drive. And of course, I hope you didn't lose data. I think I've lost some editing work, but happens. Yeah, just make sure you have turned on automatic save, which most of the programs have. So that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.